Tony Robbins talks about this a lot. Gary Vaynerchuk talks about this a lot. In many cases, the thing that holds you back is your family. It's your friends. It's your inner circle, your sphere of influence. In many cases, sometimes, as much as they care for you, they don't want you to succeed without them. So they don't want you to succeed if they're not going to succeed. So they call it the crab effect. You put a bunch of crabs in a bucket, and as one is trying to get out, there's a crab under it pulling it back down. I don't know if you've ever seen a bunch of crabs ever in a bucket, but that's exactly what happens is as you see crabs reaching for the top to try and pull themselves out, there's another crab grabbing them, trying to use them to pull themselves up, and what ends up happening is they pull them down. And so Gary talks often about, you have to, and Tony Robbins too, and for those of you who don't know these names, Tony Robbins, is the pinnacle of a mindset coach. He calls himself a mind reprogrammer. I mean, this guy has coached the wealthiest entrepreneurs in the world. I mean, he's and athletes, Kobe, LeBron, Tiger Woods. I mean, it goes on and on, his resume of people that he will reprogram their mind so that they think, unnegative thoughts, basically. You don't want those negative thoughts in you. And he's helping these individuals go out there and perform, from business owners to athletes. So if you don't know who he is, Google him. I mean, he's well respected in basically in the entire world as an individual who can get people to perform. So Gary and Tony talk about that. They don't say drop your friends that you have now, but sometimes it's those people who are holding you back. You might need to go find just another new set of friends. Typically, it's your 5 closest friends. There's a saying that says, show me the wealth of your 5 closest friends and I can guesstimate what your wealth is, right? And it's probably the same. So hypothetically, the theory is, if you're looking to increase your financial income, then go find, maybe it's a real estate investing association. I'm not saying ditch your current friends, because obviously they're your buddies, they're your friends, but maybe you need to go now expand your circle of friends. Go find a new set of 5 friends that are at a place financially, or at just at a place in general, and it's not always financial, it could be health. They're basically at a place that you want to be, and start making that your normal circle. So, we talked about it doesn't have to be financial, it could be health. For instance, if you're looking to get in shape, and you're looking to get lean and mean and athletic, but your 5 closest friends are not lean and mean and enjoy fast food all the time, every day, they don't cook, they don't eat the right things, most likely if you're hanging out with those guys, you're going to consume the same thing they're consuming, which, if that's your choice, then there's nothing wrong with it. But if your desires are something different, then you might want the guys that are running Ironmans, or maybe not that advanced, but guys that are cycling, guys that are exercising daily, right? Guys that are running, doing cardio, hitting the gym, guys that are conscientious of their diet, that are cooking. If you hang out with these individuals, most likely you'll start to do what they're doing and start to adapt to what they do to basically get to where they are. So it's a very interesting saying that brings a lot of truth to it, because show me your 5 closest friends and I'll show you, show me your 5 closest friends' income and I'll show you yours. Basically sometimes we just need to, again, it's maybe not a choice that we want to make, but you have that choice to go out and start hanging out with different individuals. And there's nothing wrong. We're not saying ditch, forget, never hang out with your 5 current best friends. We're just saying that expand that friendship. This is what Gary and Tony Robbins talk about, is expand your friendship, meet new people to where it is that you want to be.